What's up, YouTube? I'm Tyler. This is Earth's Cuisine. So I did a video not too long ago explaining some natural ways you can boost your immune system, as well as a video explaining some habits that actually weaken your immune system. If you missed those two videos, I'll have them linked down in the description below. Make sure to check those out if you haven't. But today, I'm going a little step further and telling you some recipes you can make that will actually boost your immune system. What's great about these recipes is not only are they full of ingredients that will boost your immune system, they're also really versatile. You can serve them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even a snack. So for our first recipe, we're going to be making some chocolate covered almonds. And for this recipe, you will need 1 cup of almonds, 12 ounces of dark chocolate. And if you don't know what I'm using here, this is endangered species chocolate. They donate 10% of their net profits to help endangered species. And that's, of course, something we appreciate here at Earth's Cuisine. So if you have not seen them before, I highly recommend you check them out. Also optional, you can use some salt. For materials, you will need a slotted spoon. You will also need a baking sheet, some parchment paper, a heat-proof bowl, a pot, some water to go in the pot, and a stove. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. For our next recipe, we're going to be making a tropical fruit salad. And for this recipe, you will need 8 mandarin oranges, cut into bite-sized pieces, like so. 3 kiwis, sliced. 2 mangoes, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 lime, juiced. 1 pineapple, cut into bite-sized pieces. Half a papaya, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. For materials, you'll just need a large bowl and something to toss the salad with. All right, for the second time, without any more delay, let's get cooking. And here we have a beautiful, colorful, tropical fruit salad. For our last recipe, we're going to be making a sweet potato hash. And for this recipe, you will need 2 medium sweet potatoes, diced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, 1 red onion, chopped, 1 bunch of spinach, 2 cups of mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For materials, you'll need a large pan, a large bowl, some parchment paper, a baking sheet, a stove, and an oven. All right, for the last time, without any more delay, let's get cooking. I ended up having to use a lot more materials for this one than I thought I would. But here are each of our dishes here. And they all look really nice. And I'm very happy with how each of them turned out. You probably noticed my hair is slightly longer. That's because I filmed that video a while ago and, well, the outro is really bad, so here I am redoing it. But hey, if you would like to make any of the recipes, I'll have them linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace. I have someone here who does not want to let me cook, do you, Lulu? What's your problem? What's your problem? Why are you in the way? Lulu.